In tonight's men's marriage repair webinar workshop, we are wrapping up the training on how to do your pre-marital repair work. Your brain should be restabilized. You should be ready to try hard things, kind of like someone coming out of a rehab in hospital and getting ready to go back onto the playing field. And likened to the playing field, when you are ready to begin marriage repair direct efforts towards interacting more with your spouse, it's going to be a lot like being a musician, an athlete, and a soldier. You're going to be reflecting upon recent attempts and efforts. You're going to be doing some discovery work to make a new plan, learning new things about how to try it from this direction, how to try it from that direction. You're going to create a plan, not just winging it, and then we act upon that plan as we try again, and then it will probably fail, just like Thomas Edison. If these words sound familiar to you, they are taken from President Nilsson's Pattern for Growth, and it is the most powerful circle of development I've ever seen, and it works wonders for the marriage repair process. Join us tonight, Men's Marriage Repair Webinar Workshop. Just type it into Google or find the links connected. See you soon.